LA Mayor Eric Garcetti delivered a powerful message to the city of Los Angeles. He says get a booster, and the sooner the better. The mayor made that announcement just hours during a live address to the city. As KCAL-9's Sarah Donchi shows us tonight, the mayor's push for boosters comes just weeks after he tested positive for the virus.
More than 600 days in, the battle against coronavirus rages on in L.A. And in a nod to the early days of COVID-19, Mayor Eric Garcetti once again addressed the city about the pandemic, starting with his own infection.
I was fortunate because in the days that I isolated, I had a mild fever for a day, some cold-like symptoms, lost my taste and smell for a few days, but then was fully recovered, probably thanks to the vaccine that I got earlier this year.
It also came with another warning that with little more than a week before Thanksgiving, city and county leaders are bracing for a winter surge.
And I also want to clear up some confusion around boosters, because I know folks are wondering, am I eligible to get a booster? Let me say it simply. If you're 18 and older and want to get a booster, get it.
We are starting to see numbers go up. It still is predominantly among the unvaccinated and the older vaccinated individuals who got vaccinated early on in the pandemic.
Still, officials say most of the COVID data looks much better now than during the summer surge and point to people getting vaccinated as progress. But calls for more adults to get booster shots are growing, including a potentially big announcement from the FDA.
And I think you're going to see the federal government either tomorrow or Friday announce that everyone over the age of 18 years old should and can get a booster in the United States 6 months after their second shot of Pfizer or Moderna.
And for those planning on when to get booster shots, doctors say the sooner the better, especially as more people gather for Thanksgiving.
There isn't any timeline that says that if you got the booster today, you will be adequately protected 2 or 3 weeks down the road, like the way we said about the second dose after the mRNA vaccine.
The boosters are dramatically important in terms of fighting Delta, in terms of decreasing the number of breakthrough infections, and in terms of curbing the pandemic, because we have a rise in cases now.
The mayor also insisted tonight that the city and county have enough vaccines so that anyone who wants to get one should be able to. He's also encouraging people to get tested as the holidays approach. From County USC Hospital, I'm Sarah Donchi, KCAL-9 News.